everybody, welcome back. Happy Thursday. So today we're making a banana bread cheesecake. So this is like a combination of two amazing dishes, and I thought it was excessive, but it's not. It's fabulous. I actually got this idea from BuzzFeed, so I wanted to try it myself, and it is delicious. But we are using my favorite banana and cheesecake recipes together, so it is extra good. Also, before I get started, I wanted to say that it's nice to see you guys again. I took about a week and a half off in order to amplify Black voices and take a lot of time to learn about racism myself. Especially as a white woman, there is a lot that I've taken for granted and a lot of things that I just assumed were safe for everybody, and it has shocked me to the core that that isn't a reality for everybody, and it's so upsetting, and it absolutely should be a reality. Everybody deserves to feel safe, especially around the police. Like, I'm so royally disgusted. So I'm actually going to be doing something on Pinko Bunny, or on my channel, with you guys. I have decided to launch a line of merch, and 100% of the profits of that merch this time and forever will be donated to the NAACP LDF, so the Legal Defense Fund. Sorry if you can hear the little noise. That's my dog. He's decided that now is the time to be noisy. So I would love for you guys to take a look, and for this to be a way that we can donate and hopefully help improve the lives of Black people, because they absolutely deserve to have wonderful, safe lives and be treated equally. When the link goes live, I will update the link down below in this video as well, so definitely check it out. And I'm going to be launching new items every second Friday of each month, because I don't want this to be like oh, it's trending on social media, so I'm going to donate some money and then never do it again. I don't want it to be like that. So I'm going to keep promoting it, and I'm going to keep creating new merchandise so that you guys can keep purchasing and donating through this as well. So anyways, thank you all so much, and I love you guys. And anyways, yeah, let's go and make some delicious banana bread and cheesecake goodness. So first we're going to make the banana bread base. You want to combine some bananas, some oil, and some sugar in a bowl. And I'll have all the ingredients and everything listed down below, so don't worry, everything is there for you. Then add an egg, some vanilla, and salt. Then mix some flour, baking soda, and baking powder together, and then add that to the banana mixture. Then add some chocolate chips and mix well. Then pour the batter into a greased 9-inch round springform pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, or until the knife inserted into the center of the loaf comes out clean, and you want to keep it in the pan and cool it completely. Then to make the cheesecake portion, beat some cream cheese with an electric mixer until smooth. Add some sugar and mix to combine. Then add some whipping cream, some lemon juice, and vanilla extract, and mix until combined. Then combine some gelatin and water in a small bowl and microwave it for 30 seconds or until the gelatin has fully melted. Add this to the cheesecake mixture and mix until well combined. Then you want to pour that directly on top of the banana bread. Smooth the surface and pop it into the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours or until the cheesecake portion is firm. Then to make the topping and assemble your cake, you want to beat some more cream cheese, some sugar, and some vanilla extract with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy. Place this in a piping bag fitted with a large star-shaped piping tip. Then remove the sides of the cake pan by either running a warm towel around the outside of the pan or using a sharp knife to run it around the inside of the pan. Then pipe dollops of that cheesecake topping onto the top of the cheesecake. Then place some dolce de leche into a piping bag, and I first heated the dolce de leche so that it's warm and much runnier and easier to pipe. And then I just snipped a small hole in the end of the piping bag and drizzled it all over the cake. Lastly, you want to sprinkle some chocolate shavings onto the cream cheese dollops, and then just slice it up, and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Again, I want to remind you guys that my merch collection, where 100% of the profits are donated to the NAACP Legal Defense Fund, is going live tomorrow. So I'll link that down below, and also everyone on Instagram and all on my social media. Thank you in advance for anybody who purchases anything. If there's anything that you think that I missed or that you would like to see added or removed, please let me know, because I'm sure that there are some things that I am overlooking. So yes, please let me know, and I would love to make those corrections. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday for a new video. Bye! Oh, and before I go, this weekend there's going to be a ton of doggy cookbook and Christmas cookbook footage on my Instagram. So if you didn't know, I'm in the process of writing like 3 cookbooks at a time. Right now it's a Christmas and a dog cookbook, so like food for dogs. So if you want to check it out and get the behind the scenes stuff, definitely head over onto my Instagram because there is so much content there. Anyways, I love you all so much, and yeah, I'll see you Tuesday. Bye!